Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your color theme on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to change your color, you need to go to the setting first. You can select this gear icon and then you're going to scroll down until you find the appearance. And you will be able to change your color right here. You can choose your color theme, but unfortunately it's not free guys. We need Nitro to unlock this feature. And I have already subscribed to Discord, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and you can see the preview. Alright, like this. And I'm going to close it. Oops, sorry. I'm going to go back to the appearance and I'm going to apply. Let's try this one. Okay, it's done. Okay guys, and that's how you can change color theme on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.